Oh,
fuck my ass.
Come here, come
I'm
here.
running to you. I'm running back. Ah! Fuck! Oh, goddamn, dude.
Shoot him in the feet. Shoot him in the feet.
Oh, don't kill me. Don't kill me.
More behind us? Fuck.
There's only one left. There's only one left.
There's people behind us, I think.
No, I killed him. There's only one left, though. Oh, shit. He has eyes on me. Get behind the UAZ. Oh, I'm going down. I'm going down. Oh, I gotta heal. I gotta heal. I gotta heal. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, he's got a car.
What are you?
I'm healing. I'm healing. Oh, fuck. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Can't see shit.
Dude, I fucking suck. Damn.
Hey, could you give me a heading when you can?
Oh, I'm healing. I don't know. They're 330. I'm pretty sure. 330. Oh, shit. Where?
Car 98? What the? He probably had a scope. He probably shot my feet.
Killed them both. Dude try to pick up a sickle and come fight me. Alright, Andy, I got 2 kills. Where you at? Woo. I killed that dude.
Sit the fuck down, bitch. You had an M16. You couldn't kill me, pussy. I had a pistol.
You reckon?
He's gonna be hiding in one of the back crates. Swear you saw him running here? Cause I ain't seen shit. Well, we found him.
Hey, man. I'm sorry. Oh, fuck. 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 Fuck! God, fuck. There you are. Fuck you. Oh, fuck! Shit! Motherfucker. God damn it. Oh shit. Fuck you! Oh man. Oh fuck! Oh my god. Thank you, Pan. Thank you, Pan. Thank you, Pan. Motherfucker. Deuces! Shit. Yes! Shit. Woo!
Meds now. Oh, I got the stems, but that's it.
I have nothing else. Fuck. Can you drop me something? Ammo? 9mm?
Yeah, yeah. Here, just take that.
You on the roof? Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Get my shit. So MLG. That's my boy. I have a feeling you're definitely gonna get killed by the victim.
Yeah. I'm cool with it. I lived a good life. I avenged my boy.